stucco house, needed to be repainted probably every 10 years, but of course you didn't do that, so that it looked pretty drab. They called on the telephone. They put siding on the house and put windows in the basement. They were great. They cleaned up. They worked hard. They came early sometimes. It was pretty hot when they were here, so they knocked off early some days. But they did the work fine, and I had no problem with them at all. George did a great job. And the siding just made all the difference in the world. Well, if you knew what it looked like beforehand, just night and day. People drive down the street that know us have often called and said, "Hey, your house really looks great." Now it makes the stuff that we still need to do, like the foundation and the front steps, it makes it more important that we get that done pretty quick. But then the house will look really, really great. I would say for sure it'll make your house look fantastic. The guys do great work. It's worth it just because it looks so great. And I won't have to paint again, ever.